I'm CWB team rider Josh Palma, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the 2015 CWB Groove. Now this board is designed and ridden by Case and Siderhoud, and it's great for both the boat and the park. And that's due in part to the fact that it has a lot of surface area at the tip and tail. So it's going to be great for those presses in the park, and it's also going to give you really nice lift and soft landings when you're riding it behind the boat. It does come with 1-inch fins for the boat, which obviously the majority of riders are going to want to take that off at the park for those catch-free rail hits. The Groove is also really durable in that it features our prototypical ABS sidewall and our tri-axe layup. So this thing's going to get you through several seasons in the park and will also hold up to some pretty aggressive boat riding. The Groove also features our 8-up insert pack, which just, basically what it does is it removes our base plate and allows us to maintain more natural flex patterns through the board. This thing also has our X-Trans base, which is slick and strong and virtually frictionless on a variety of surfaces. The board comes in a 129, a new size for this year, which is a 134, and a 139 and a 145.